Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Install or open Google Photos and sign into the exact Google account for your backup. Once signed in, tap the menu and go straight to Settings, right arrow Backup and Sync to enable automatic uploads. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and the device has sufficient battery or is charging. This prevents interrupted uploads. Also check storage. If you're near your Google storage limit, either free up space or buy more so backups won't stall. Once backup and sync is on, select the upload quality. Original preserves full resolution, storage saver reduces size to save space. Then choose which device folders to include. Tap Backup Device Folders and toggle Screenshots, App Folders, and Downloads as needed. Make sure to set cellular upload rules, turn off uploads on roaming, and decide whether photos or videos can use mobile data. These choices control cost and speed, so pick setting. To complete, confirm backups finished by checking the app's backup status banner or library, right arrow Utilities, right arrow Backup Device Folders. If items aren't uploading, force a sync by refreshing the app, signing out and back in, or restarting the device. These simple steps often kick stalled uploads. If problems persist, clear the app cache, update Google Photos, and ensure you have available Google storage. Once those are resolved, backups should resume automatically, and your photos will be safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.